Hey, my name's Rick Charles, and I'm here to help you buy your church. All right, I've got a special link down below, churchbuyingsecrets.com, that you can attend. All right, the reason I'm doing this is because there's such a crazy opportunity out there to own your church facility and own it at a very low interest rate. Now, if you're in the business of buying and owning your church facility, then I'm the guy you need to be talking to. So, down below, there's a free link. It's called churchbuyingsecrets.com. You're going to go there, you're going to take the course, and then you're going to be able to sit down and learn from me. I recently helped a church down in Tennessee. I've helped churches down in Miami. I just closed a church up in New York. Um, and I'm helping people helping churches all across the United States become owners of their facility. So take a moment, learn from me. I make a lot of videos on YouTube anyway, so go to my channel, subscribe, join me, whatever it is. But I want to give you this opportunity to become the owner of your facility. So if you're here on YouTube and you're trying to figure out what do I need to do to go buy a church, how can I go buy a church, what is it that I need to do, um, reach out to me, watch my content. I promise you, you will not only learn how to do it, but you'll be able to reach out, get all my contact information, whatever it is, and you'll get somebody that's specialized in closing church loans. So my promise to you is, if you want to learn, or if you have a church loan if you have a church facility that you want to buy, I'm the guy that you need to reach out to. I can't tell you how important it is, what goes on, all the paperwork, but from that point, once you go and you do the site, churchbuyingsecrets.com, it's going to be down below. Um, you're going to be able to register, and from there, either myself or somebody from my team will be able to reach out to you, and then we're going to go from there, and we're going to help you actually become the owner of your church facility. So, with that being said, guys, I want to thank you for taking the time to gather this message and check it out. But like I said, the opportunity is now. If you want to buy your church facility at a low interest rate, low cost, and become the owner, once that happens, once your church becomes the owner, then you can concentrate on serving the community. And when you can concentrate on serving the community, it becomes a much, much more easy process. So take a moment, check it out. Churchbuyingsecrets.com. If you haven't, log in, check it out, take the class. It's free. It's not going to cost you anything. And if you really need help or want to buy a church facility, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. My goal is to help you lock that down. I don't care what the value is. If you're a new church and you need guidance and you need assistance and you need to put things in place, I have stuff that'll be able to help you get started so you can work your way to that level to becoming a church owner. I'll give you an example. The last church I just did, the church was actually um, going through the process of getting all their paperwork done, getting everything put in order, financials, uh, pastor biography, all of that stuff getting done, put in order. And from that point, I recently just closed them. They're out in New York, as a matter of fact. And I recently just closed them. And they're able to own their church facility. Now they can focus and impact their power in their community, ensuring that they're helping all the families out there. And and the thing is, when I get a church, I don't just sit there and just close the church on. I show the church the other secrets that they don't know, the other power, the other buying power that the church has. But before I do that, before I go spilling you into the other buying secrets and all that good stuff, my objective is this exactly. let's get the church bought first. After we become the owner, then I'll turn you into the star that you're supposed to be. All right, I'm going to show you how you can buy other facilities and enjoy those same benefits. So with that being said, like it down below, hit the button, go sign up, apply now. Anything I can do for you. If you've got questions, I probably have an answer for you. So if question unasked is a question unanswered. So I look forward to hearing from you. And with that being said, thank you.